April 14, 1943. Beneath the gray skies over southern France, a captured Spitfire sat quietly on a hidden Luftwaffe airstrip. Its sleek, elliptical wings shimmered in the cold morning sun, a stark contrast to the drab gray of German Messerschmitts lined up nearby. Werner Schröer, one of Germany's most elite fighter aces, approached the aircraft with a mix of curiosity and disbelief. The Allies' famed fighter, untouched and intact, was now in his hands. He ran his gloved fingers over the polished fuselage, feeling the power beneath, imagining the roar of its Merlin engine as it climbed into the sky. This was no ordinary plane, it was a weapon the Luftwaffe had struggled to counter. Schröer's mind raced. Today, he would fly it, test it, and uncover its deadly secrets. Every movement of the control stick promised revelations about the very aircraft that had haunted German pilots over Europe. Schröer climbed into the cockpit, the leather seat cold against his flight suit, and tightened his harness. The familiar clatter of German radios was replaced by the smooth hum of the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. As he taxied down the airstrip, the Spitfire responded with an almost eager precision. With a pull of the throttle, it lifted effortlessly into the overcast sky, climbing faster than most Luftwaffe fighters of the time. Schröer's eyes narrowed, scanning the horizon, testing its agility with tight turns and sudden dives. Every maneuver revealed a fighter built for dominance in dogfights. Its roll rate crisp, its controls responsive, its turning radius astonishing. He felt the difference immediately. Unlike many German aircraft, this plane seemed to anticipate his intentions, as if it had a mind of its own. Schröer's respect grew with every heartbeat. This was no ordinary captured plane. High above the patchwork fields of France, Schröer pushed the Spitfire harder, diving into sharp banking turns, pulling out with precision that left him breathless. He compared it in his mind to his own Bf 109, fast, deadly, but lacking the Spitfire's unmatched turning ability. Each loop and roll revealed a new advantage. The Spitfire could outmaneuver almost any German fighter in a dogfight, climbing rapidly while maintaining astonishing stability. Schröer's pulse quickened as he realized why so many of his comrades had been downed by this aircraft. Its near-perfect balance of speed, agility, and firepower made it one of the hardest Allied fighters to defeat. For a few fleeting moments, he felt what it was like to be on the other side, chasing the enemy, not fleeing it. The truth was undeniable. In the sky, the Spitfire was almost unstoppable. Back on the ground, Schröer stepped out of the cockpit, his flight suit damp with sweat and adrenaline. He jotted down notes meticulously, recording every nuance of the Spitfire's performance. The way it banked effortlessly, how it seemed to cling to the air in tight turns, the engine's surprising responsiveness at higher altitudes. These insights would be shared with Luftwaffe engineers and fellow pilots, but even he knew some lessons couldn't fully prepare them. The Spitfire's brilliance was more than just numbers on paper. It was instinct, craftsmanship, and a deadly elegance in the air. As he looked back at the aircraft, gleaming in the fading light, Schröer couldn't hide a grudging admiration. This plane, once the enemy's secret, had become a teacher, showing the Luftwaffe just how formidable their opponents truly were. In the weeks that followed, stories of Schröer's flight spread quietly among Luftwaffe circles. Pilots whispered about the almost unstoppable Spitfire, its graceful maneuvers now etched in memory. The captured aircraft became a benchmark, a haunting reminder that even Germany's finest pilots faced opponents who could match, and often surpass, their skill in combat. Schröer's experience highlighted the technological arms race in the skies over Europe, where every innovation could tip the balance of life and death. And while the Spitfire remained an enemy plane, in that moment, it commanded respect, a symbol of Allied ingenuity that challenged the Luftwaffe in ways no one had fully anticipated. If you felt the adrenaline of Schröer's flight and want to uncover more untold stories from the skies of World War II, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button for more gripping accounts of pilots, battles, and the machines that shaped history. Drop a comment and tell us where you're watching from. I love seeing history connect people across the world. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who's fascinated by the incredible stories of World War II. Stay tuned to America in Time, where history comes alive one epic story at a time.